Most people get NSFW content wrong on Reddit. They assume it's blocked by default, or that they can't access adult content without hacks. But Reddit has a simple, safe way to view NSFW content, and it'll show you exactly how. Step 1. Log into your Reddit account. Step 2. Go to user settings by clicking your profile icon, then select settings. Step 3. Scroll to the feed settings section. You'll see an option labeled adult content or NSFW content. Turn it on to allow NSFW posts to appear in your feed. Most people get this wrong by trying to browse anonymously or ignoring this toggle. It won't work unless enabled in settings. Step 4. Verify your age if prompted. Reddit requires accounts to be over 18 to view NSFW material. Step 5. Explore safely. Subreddits marked NSFW will now show content, but be aware of your surroundings. These posts are explicit. The surprising truth is that even with NSFW enabled, some content may still be hidden if you are using Reddit's default safe search filters on mobile or web. Check those settings if you still don't see posts. In conclusion, viewing NSFW content on Reddit is simple if you enable the right settings and respect age restrictions. Most people get this wrong by assuming they need third-party tools or workarounds. Reddit's built-in options are all you need. Subscribe for more Reddit tips and tutorials so you can navigate the platform confidently and safely.